In this session, I will show you a few date functions in Excel. Now we all know that Excel dates are a larger serial numbers and no one can identify if it looks like this. This looks normal. Once it gets converted using formatting, now you can see these are the dates. These larger serial numbers will not get recognized once it gets formatted into date format. Now, this is consists of three individual components: year, month, and day. The date consists of three individual components: year, month, and day. You can see the result. This is formatted once it consists these three individual components. What my questions is just different. What if I want that first day of the year and first day of the month have to find from these dates? And again, if I want last day of the month from these dates, if I want last days post 2 months and last days after 2 months from these days given. And what I have want that what are the number of days as a YTD for 2021. And now what I want these are the dates given and here I want then which year is a leap year or was a leap year. And now the last I have a list of various days. What I want dates gets highlighted once it's greater than this or less than this given criteria. Let me show you how to solve this. Now first you can see I have a formula date and have a result of date consisting of these three individual elements. Means a date consists three individual elements: year, month, and day. My next question is first day of the year and first day of the month. How will you find? Let's find the first day of the year. So use date, year, year from these cells, and now you can see I have 2020, 2018, 2017, 2019, and so on, and I have every record as a first day of the same year, whatever year is given in the column B. And now I want first day of every month, whatever month is given in column B. Here is the November, February, August, March, September. So I want month is same as it is in column B, but the day should be the first day. Year would be same, month would be same. Now you can see I have every individual month as given in column B, but the day is concerned I have every month first day. Now my third question is how do I find out the last day of this given month? So my formula is EO month, select the range and I want 0 month. Now you can see I have November, February, August, March, September, November, May, August, and I have every record month wise last day because I know in November we have 30th, the last day. In February we have 29th of this 2020 year. In 2018, in February, we had 28th of the last year. In the same way, we have the last day for every month of all the records. Now, I'm going with this scenario. I have to find last day post 2 months, meaning what was the last day before back my 2 months. So, using same EO month, select the range, and here I have to given -2. If you want to find -6 months back, then you have to put here -6. Here I am putting -2 because I am going to find the post 2 months and the same for the next 2 months. So here I have to give in plus. In this way, I am able to find post 2 months what was my last date as per the months given in column B and same for the next 2 months in column D. Now my next scenario is what I want. I want number of days till 31st of December of 2021, meaning start from January till the end of 2021 year. How many days get progressive and reach 365 on 31st of December. So here you have to use the formula date, year. You can give here 0. Now you can see you are in the first day. Once you head to February 1st, it becomes 32nd day, and till 31st of December, you have 365 days. And as all we know, that 365 days in a year. Now, with the next scenario, I have a list of dates, and here I have to find out which year is a leap year or was a leap year. So, here you have to find the month because leap year is a month, particular month for every year. And this is question about the February. So I have to find the month, date, and my year is from the selective range, and the month is second. I want to compare 29th equal second month. Now we have true false result, meaning the record having true was a leap year. You know, 2020 was a leap year, 2012 was a leap year, 2016 was a leap year, and rest are false year. Now, the last questions. Here I have a various dates, and here I have to highlight all the dates which is meeting the criteria. Meaning, if I gonna use this given criteria greater than this, whatever dates available in this list will get highlighted. Rest not highlighted. So how will you solve this? So go to the conditional formatting, new rule. Here you have to select the last options where you have to use a formula. And what is your formula? Select any cells which is greater than whatever your criteria is given here, and just select remove your dollar sign and then select the format, whatever format you want to be formatted for that cell. Now OK. Now OK. You can see all the dates greater than this gets highlighted. If you gonna change your date, meaning I'm giving a different criteria of this, See, the changes happen. If I use this one, you can see the changes happen. Meaning, these are the days which have been highlighted is greater than this date. So in this way, you will use a few functions of date in Excel. That's for this video. Thanks for watching.